Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Umkhokha the case spoiler alert. Izikhwama go missing and Mamzobe channels her inner darkness as she doubles in dark magic to remain powerful. Mabuzi loses her powers and Mtembu has another task for Spamandla. Then Ndlovu's could be possibly cast. Mlungi's body is exhumed, but Mamzobe stops the lashing of his body. Spusizo is back and could be a great asset to Mamzobe. Ndlovu bows down to Tenjiwe Mzobe Gumede, and Gapsile could be pregnant. Thank you for watching.